With ergonomic mobility solutions, lightweight wheelchairs are in high demand for seniors, caregivers, and travelers. These chairs combine portability with comfort and ease of use. In this guide, we evaluate the build quality, weight, Lishnan, Drive Medical SSP118FASF Silver Sport 1 Folding Transport Wheelchair. The Drive Medical Silver Sport 1 is a durable yet budget-friendly folding transport wheelchair. Constructed with a powder-coated steel frame and nylon upholstery, it's both easy to clean and strong enough for everyday use. Weighing approximately 37 pounds, it strikes a balance between stability and mobility. List number 2. Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair with swing-away footrests and flip-back arms. The Drive Medical Blue Streak offers versatility and comfort in a lightweight frame. Weighing only 41.25 pounds, this wheelchair features flip-back, desk-length arms for easy transfers and swing-away footrests for customizable leg support. The 18-inch padded seat and solid rubber tires ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. List number 3. Drive Medical EXP19 LTRD Lightweight Expedition Folding Transport Wheelchair with handbrakes. Weighing just 19 pounds, the Drive Medical Expedition is among the lightest transport wheelchairs available. This makes it an excellent choice for caregivers and users who need to travel frequently. The 12-inch rear wheels and loop-lock handbrakes provide superior control. List 4. Medline Lightweight Foldable Transport Wheelchair with handbrakes and 12-inch wheels. The Medline Lightweight Foldable Transport Chair is designed with caregiver convenience and user comfort in mind. Its large 12-inch rear wheels handle outdoor terrain smoothly, while the rear handbrakes ensure safety during downhill travel. The chair weighs just 23.5 pounds, making it easy to lift into vehicles or storage. List number 5. Medline Lightweight Wheelchair for Adults with Swing-Back Desk-Length Arms. The Medline Lightweight Wheelchair for Adults offers an ideal mix of comfort, adjustability, and durability. With swing-back, desk-length arms, it allows for easy transfer and better access to desks or tables. The elevating leg rests are perfect for users needing additional leg support.